So I honestly haven't made a video in a very long time, and I don't even know if this is gonna turn out right or not. I also have no kitchen table. I just have like a kitchen island, as you can see back there. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna do like an unboxing video there. But I had to go to McDonald's and get a Yu-Gi-Oh! Happy Meal, because of course I did. Because I'm an aging millennial and my life is sad. No, I'm just kidding. I wanted to have some fun today because in between like working on dissertation, doing a bunch of other things, including job search. So before graduation, hopefully have a more solid job than the one I already have. Health insurance is important. The United States sucks with that, especially if you have a disability. And yeah, so I'm like, yeah, you know what? Let's go ahead and do that. And if my dog barks, I'm sorry, she's a dog. And I didn't feel like wearing earbuds to talk to you for this. So if I end up doing this on YouTube, I don't really want to promise I'll continue to do Thunderbolt Fantasy, but I am really stoked about the next season. See, aging millennial, that lingo. But I'm like, okay, I got it. Because my friend went and she got cinnamon roll as the Blue Eyes White Dragon, and I'm like, so I had to go and see what was up. Yeah, so I'm doing this from a drafting table that is like not fully adjusted. Like it's put together aside from the fact that my spine's fused because genetics and deterioration, and I didn't have another person around to help me lift it up, and I haven't wanted to ask people here to do that, like being like, hey, you want to come hang out? Hey, can you help me finish with this thing of furniture? It's like, yeah, no. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to unbox this. Like, I mean, first of all, this is adorable. Like adorable in like a horrifying way, because actually, honestly, this scares me just a tiny bit because, I mean, I get like, see, I by the way, I'm nearsighted, so I'm having to be like, you did it. So yeah, I can't even see this far away very well. I was wearing sunglasses outside that are prescription. I can see they had the symmetry for the eyes and everything, but it's just like the juxtaposition of it. I'm like, dear God in heaven, I can't, I don't. And then this, wait, glare. Okay, yeah, so we have all the little friends from Sanrio. And being, again, that I am a 90s kid, actually I was born in the late 80s, that this kind of thing is going to appeal to me tremendously. And so I'm like, this is your own fault. If you get a bunch of really tired looking millennials rolling through your drive-thru ordering Happy Meals, you did this to yourself. And no, I don't want the collector meal, although it is kind of cute. It is cute. I'm not going to say it's not cute. It's cute, but I was like, no, I want this. So let's see what's in here. Also, I got the 4-piece chicken nuggies, and what does that come with? Fries, sweet and sour sauce, and apple juice, because apple juice. I'm kind of hoping that's the kind of apple juice that doesn't have lead in it. I don't know, McDonald's, you could answer that maybe? I don't know. I'm not a scientist, obviously. Is it gonna be Pum Pum Purin? Is it? Did you even give me a toy? Oh my God, they did. Oh my God! I got cinnamon roll too. Oh my God, this is so cute. Look at okay. So first of all, like this packaging, like look at it. Look at that. Oh my God. Like, you know, it says it has the Yu-Gi-Oh sign on it, like the old logo. Excuse me, I can English. So Yu-Gi-Oh times Hello Kitty and Friends. And it's number 2, so you have to, that's really cute that they used the puzzle piece from Yummy, like the Yummies. Oh my God. I got cinnamon roll too. You know who you are. So like, yeah, friend from high school. Wait, let me open it. I know that all the toy collectors are like, no, don't open it. I'm like, I'm open it. Can't undo it. Oh my God, look at that. Look at this cuteness. Oh, you is so, and it's like the perfect, like I love stuffies. When I was at junior college, if you're not from the United States and you don't know what that is, just know it's where like us less economically, I can't even words. Anyway, it's where like middle class and working class kids oftentimes go as young adults to save money before we go off to a 4-year. In my case, it had to do with that and the fact that I was just seeing if college would even work for me. Because why spend all that time and money in general ed at like a 4-year school that's way more expensive when you can do it at a JC, which is also the same as a community college. Anyway, I was at JC and where was I going with this? I was going somewhere. Oh, yeah, and I worked at a certain workshop that perhaps builds bears. And it was really, really fun. I've always loved cute things, and also I love spooky things. Like I'm a big horror movie fan, but I also really like cute things. So I always grew up with Sanrio, and I was like, oh my God, it's so cute. You know, like Beanie Babies, stuff like that, Tamagotchi, all that kind of thing growing up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so like I had the Little Mermaid pet. But this cinnamon roll is like, is this the squish test? Like squishies, like, okay, first of all, I have super small hands. I'm trying to think of some way to illustrate that. Like here, like, okay, here's a pen. And I have a big palm and really small fingers, and I'm just like, it passes the squeeze test. Because like, also, it's very satisfying to be able to do this, like stimming. So it's like, what are you doing? I have learned in the last several years that I stim. So it has a cute tag as well. As you can see, it's on brand. The Yu-Gi-Oh! Times Hello Kitty and Friends as well. It has a delightful little tag, which I'm weird, like I will bust this open and like horrify toy collectors because I can. It's like, are you sadistic? And like, but this, like this, no, I like, this is satisfying to me. This is the cute, look at it. It's a cute little Happy Meal. Like, it's a cute little Happy Meal. Like, how can you hate that? Like, I would not, no, it would not take that off of here. No, I'm gonna be sad. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. They're so amazing. What do you want to bet me? The McDonald's United States site, and forgive me if I'm wrong, because I'm not trying to be shady, but United States corporate McDonald's, I doubt did this. I bet this was the thoughtful input of designs that I've seen before when they come to Build-A-Bear, like with Nintendo, when they finally did, except for that Bulbasaur. We don't talk about that Bulbasaur. Now you had to stuff it. That, look at this. I want you to look at this. You see here? I was worried that, oh no, but what if the tag rips, right? Like, because I find this to be very satisfying, cute little thing they added here, like a little bow almost, but you know, not. This, I don't have to worry about it ripping because they cut it already. Look at that. Look at that. So I can just slide this off of here and just keep it. And as you can see, as a QR code. No, I have not scanned it yet. Scan to play. Oh, must have some kind of game. Also, because I'm a sad aging millennial, you just lost the game. Anyway, so look at this cutie patootie. This cutie patootie matches the interior of my Ford Econoline camper van because it's from the 90s and it's blue. Yes, it has blue carpet and it's so going in there. I'm gonna find some way to put this in here. Like, I don't know, I'm not gonna hang it from anything maybe, but maybe just kind of like have it like propped up somewhere safe and secure because I don't want it flying out either. But look at it, look at this. Just look into these eyes, look at that. Oh, and you get a dragon, oh, and oh my God. You know, it's really funny too, and I'm going to get so much hate for this. Do I give a crap? No, I don't really care. Because to each their own. I think it's dumb for people to be like, you must like everything I like. It's like, why? Anyway, this is adorable, and this is one of the only things that has ever made me like, aside from Kaiba's stubbornness, the blue eyes white dragon. because I normally don't like the blue eyes white dragon. I am a red eyes black dragon type person. Joey, sorry. I'm sorry. It's that damn 4Kids dub. It just immediately, Joey Wheeler's dub voice came into my mind, and I'm like, ADHD is a hell of a thing. Anyway, but yeah, this is so cute. And you know what, I gotta say, like, looking at the overall, like, color palette, they're always so on point. Like, Sanrio is always so on point. It is so perfect, like, every time. And these little cheeks, like, I mean, looky those little cheeks. My God, they're so cute. They make me happy. So, thank you for giving an aging millennial who's going through a lot of life changes a happy day. And I'm gonna enjoy my chicken nuggies. So, like, not sponsored, but thanks McDonald's. Thanks to I can't remember who publishes Yu-Gi-Oh right now. My brain is blanking, and I'm so sorry because y'all are legendary. And then Sanrio, of course, for making my day brighter, because, like, it's been a time. Without trauma dumping, Mom died last year after a long battle with Alzheimer's that I helped my dad take care of her with. I myself am disabled. I'm the first person to work on a PhD and try to finish it, and just in general in the family. I'm in the middle of that right now. I'm job searching aside from the job I already have, and my father is getting remarried next month to a new lady, and she's really nice, and I wish them the best. But it's like a lot of life changes. So, oh, and then I'm in the middle of still training my service dog through an academy and stuff like that. We have a big test coming up. So there's a lot of things going on, and I'm just like, but this makes everything feel like it's gonna be okay, which is so dumb because, like, I know that it's just a product, but at this juncture, it's been a gift. So thank you. I'm gonna enjoy my lunch now before it gets too cold. Make sure it doesn't get too cold, okay? Food safety is important, all right?